Yesterday we were up early and in a taxi on our way to the airport. We then boarded a flight from Rome, Italy to Toulouse, France, but that wasn't the end of our travel day. We then had to get a tram and another train across the French countryside to arrive here in this stunning medieval hill town of Carcassonne.
So we came to the south of France because we have something lined up in a couple of weeks in this area, and after a few Google searches we landed upon Carcassonne. It is a beautiful medieval town that we get to explore today, and we've decided to start the day the French way: coffee and pastries. So once we eat these, we've just got to cross this awesome old bridge and we'll be inside of the medieval city. Cute is this town? I cannot believe that we'd never heard of this before. It's got all of these really old buildings with the shutters and the old style lamps, and then the view of the castle. What the heck? That town to come up to the castle was so freaking cute. It's honestly like it's been plucked out of a Disney movie or something.
Before we even started this trip, I wanted to go and see castles, and this has just ruined me for any other castle. This is insane.
I cannot believe we didn't know about this town.
Yeah.
This is so cool. I love this place. So we have made our way to the Basilica that's within the city walls, and it is just beautiful. It's massive. It's got this combination of like Roman and Gothic architecture and these amazing stained windows that even look cool from the outside, so on the inside I can't even imagine. It's also got all of these really cool gargoyles on it, and according to this drawing right here there should be a snail one which looks kind of ridiculous, so I want to find it. That was so cool that you got to go inside. It's just amazing how tall the ceiling is and the Gothic architecture of it all leaning over. The candelabras look so cute and the stained glass windows blew my mind. And then when the light shines through, you could see all the reflections of it. So cool.
Not often I go into a church or a basilica or a cathedral and I like it, but That was insane. That was the best building I think I've been inside ever. Like, we've been inside the Taj Mahal, and this was cooler to me. It looks cool from the outside, but the inside is just insane.
Don't know if that sign was lying to me or if they're just gone, but there's no snail gargoyles and I'm really disappointed about it because they look so silly.
We're now just walking around the ramparts, so between the two massive walls that are here, and it's some of the coolest medieval views I've ever seen in my life. Yep, that has definitely ruined me for any other castle.
I honestly can't believe it. It's so bloody cute in there. Every single bit of it looks like it's been plucked out of a Disney movie.
And we just found out that apparently there's 47 people that still live in there. Like, their residential address is inside the castle wall.
Can you imagine being like, oh yeah, just post it to me at the medieval city. I love it.
We're gonna go grab some food and have a bit of a picnic to finish the day.
We didn't realise that because it's a Sunday, a lot of the shops either seem to be shut for the last half of the day or shut during the middle part of the day. Luckily, there was one shop open, so we're having a little kebab picnic today.
That again was yum, as all the food is since we've got to Europe.
That was delicious, and I've had such a good day in Carcassonne. I still can't believe that we've never heard of this place before. I loved it.
Really, really cool. But we're gonna head back to the hotel now and rest up. We've got a train tomorrow to a new city.
Woohoo! Did you know that it was so cool?
But, pardon me.